So I get a phone call from my girl Elizabeth the other day, right? She going off because she done lost her cocaine. My boy, Lil Jacob, is over at her crib and he going off, you know what I'm saying? He tripping, he totally just tripping on her. Bumba Clyde, I'm not fucking man to get out my face, it's not Bumba Clyde, you know what I'm saying? He going off on her or whatever, he Jamaican or whatever. So she tell me I need to come over there so I can get my boy up off of her, right? So I go rushing over there or whatever. They in there arguing and shit. She like, come on man, can you please just go get my coke back for me? It's over in a hospital, you know what I'm saying? The biker gang took it. So they got it over in the hospital because they getting ready to sell it or whatever. So she asked me could I go get it back. So I'm like, alright, I'll go get it back for you. So I grab a car, you know what I'm saying? I go over to the hospital. I see these two dudes outside. You know, I drove up, see these two dudes outside. They strapped, you know what I'm saying? So I pull out my sniper rifle. Plop! Pick the first one off. The other one, he gonna start running back and forth, you know, like he trying to move out of the way or whatever. Plop! Hit him with a couple of shots to the chest. Laid him down. Drove my car up a little closer. I got out, got behind a tree. Seen another dude up on the roof. Got him. Sniped him real quick off the roof. So then I made my way around to the side, you know what I'm saying? I go up this little ladder so I can get up on top. Picked off a few more dudes with the sniper rifle or whatever. So then I drops down in the room where the coke at. Took out the two dudes that was sitting in there guarding that. Grabbed the coke. Grabbed me some armor. Made a phone call. Yo, Lil Jacob, I got the shit, man. Where you want me to bring it to? He was like, I'm over here in this alley in Shotland. So I'm like, alright, I'll be over there in a minute. As soon as I hung up the phone, SWAT team swarming the place. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, damn, man, I gotta get away from these police. So I got ready, you know what I'm saying? Got my gear up, got ready. Boom, 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 boom. I gotta blast my way out to get back outside. Picked off about 5-6 cops. Made it to my car. Got in my car. Police chasing me. I'm talking about they just ramming me. They chasing me. The helicopter just on me. Boom, I hit the expressway. Hit it. When I got halfway across, you know, the bridge or whatever, called up Lil Jacob. Hey man, where you need me to meet you at? I'm straight. I got the heat off me. I got the shit. Let's meet up. So he tell me where he at in the alley or whatever. So I go meet him in the alley. As soon as I get to the alley, you know, he looking all crazy or whatever. So I'm like, what's up, dude? I got the shit. What's up? We good. He like, before he could even say anything, my other homegirl, who I thought was my homegirl, Michelle, she come walking out. She like, yo, I need to tell you something. And I'm like, what's up? And she like, I work for the government. I'm part of the feds. I'm with the FIB. I'm like, what? Like, man, you been kicking it all this time and you ain't tell me? She was like, I needed to be watching you. It's part of my job. I'm like, you fucking bitch. Well, you know, that's just what was on my mind at the time, so that's what I said. So she tells me this shit, and then she's like, but if you willing to do some work for us, for the feds, and you give me the coke back, I'll let you and your friend go. Y'all won't get press no charges or whatever. But your girl, Elizabeth, she going down. They about to bust her. But I'll let y'all go if you just give me the coke. And you gotta do a couple of jobs for us. So I'm like, man, you know, I'm standing there, I'm looking at my boy and I'm looking at her, mad cause you know she done tricked me or whatever. I just gave her back the coke, like whatever, you know what I'm saying? She still gave me my money, so I got like about $5,000 from that, you know what I'm saying? So, standing there in the alley like, damn.